Hi guys. Hi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezwa, but you can call me City Mom because I am a mother of 3 handsome boys. To my new service, thank you so much for joining the family. If you've been here, thank you for the love and support. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please don't skip the ad. Guys, I'm starting a new vlog. I just took a shower because I want to steamed bread, but there's no cabbage. So guys, I love cabbage. Ngiyayithanda cabbage, like I love it so much. Ngayithandiswa ngikhulelwe ulubanzi, no, not ulubanzi, okuhle. When I was pregnant with okuhle, ngangithandiswa cabbage, and I never stopped eating it since then. I love it so much. So yeah, I just wanna quickly go buy cabbage. I think Nitish, I have 2 things that I wanna buy, and then I come back and I do those things. Oh guys, there's a lot happening in this little life of mine. But yesterday was so draining and exhausting emotionally. But I was so proud of myself for ending such a toxic friendship that I've been in for the longest time. Because I know this person is toxic, the person is rude, the person is just everything that I don't want in a friend. I'm not gonna call it a friendship because it's just one of those people that but you have a relationship with this person and you obviously love this person because they're part of your life, but the person goes. You already figured that this person is rude. You figured their character. You figured a lot of things about their character that you don't like. And you tell this person that I don't like 1, 2, 3. You are this person and I don't like that about you, So this person knows the things that you don't like about them because you tell them that you are like this, you are like this, and I don't appreciate it. So now, the person person goes, talks about me to other people, goes create friendships. This person sits and gossip about me to the new friends, and I'm like, why are you doing that? And unfortunately for me, guys, you see this thing, and this thing made me believe that when you have a good heart, genuinely, when you have a good heart, right, and you move with pure intentions with every relationship that you make, right? I'm gonna get to the story, but I just want to pass this thing that I'm thinking right now, that when you move with pure heart all the time, uThixo uzawenzela inceba by showing you things, like kuzokwenzeka izinto guys uzihlalele endlini, you just in your house minding your own business, and God will bring things into your attention. You don't have to go look for it, and you don't have to do much. I hope I'm making sense. You don't have to do much. I literally I've figured this person good, okay, this person is like this and like this and like this. Stayed with the person even though I was like, I actually don't like this person. She's, and I tell her that you actually this kind of person, and I don't think I don't think I want to be in a relationship with a person like that, and they will apologize and we'll have our fallouts. We go for 3 months, 4 months, no talking, and then we get back together again, and then we fight again. And I'm like, this is too toxic for me and I don't like it. I really don't like it, because even if I forgive you, you still come back and continue with your bad behavior, with your rude ukrwada nje xa ethetha umuntu okrwada ubhekela abantu phansi uyinto yonke that you can imagine, right? Sharp. And mina being me, I will tell you, no, I don't like 1 2 3, don't talk to me like this. Don't you know, now I will tell you, if you are in a relationship with me, I will tell you, I don't want 1 2 3, I don't like it, I don't appreciate it, please stop it, you know. Stop for 2 months or a month and then go back to your yabo sharp. And at this point I'm like, it's fine, Wethu. I think this is just the person ungulomdu, and it's fine. Let's keep it moving, ne? And samfaka ngenhlizweni yami sengikhiphile, because ngiyabona ukuthi hayi cha awusiyo umuntu right. Angisakufaka ngenhlizweni, but I know you. Let's continue with the I know you, but mina sengikhuphile enhlizweni yami, angisakuthandi. Then comes this person, ne? Then this person makes this new friendship, and then she talks about me, she gossips about me, tells this person a lot of things that I obviously told her in confidence, because I thought at the beginning we had a cool relationship, I could trust her, and you know. Now this new person comes and tells me what this person has been saying about me. You know, she DMs me, she says, can we please meet up for lunch? I'm like, no problem, we can meet up, you know. But the lunch didn't happen, because she actually gave me her number, and then we went to WhatsApp. And then when we got to WhatsApp, we started talking. She told me how this new friendship is going, how this person is so disrespectful, how this person talks to her. And she asked me, how do you deal with this person? Because I feel like you've known her long enough, and how do you deal with this person? I'm like, that's how she is, and you deal with it by letting her be, let her disrespect you, or by ending the friendship, you know. And then she goes and tells me that this person is saying this and this and this and this about you, right? Now I have screenshots, voice notes of all these things that were being said about me. I keep quiet, I keep it moving. I'm like, okay, cool, I'll see how I address this thing. And then yesterday I'm like, you know what, actually it's fine, let me end this relationship with this person, but I don't want to end it with her not knowing why I'm ending this friendship, you know, relationship. Sharp, I ended, and did the person not deny? Did she not say the things that she said are not the words that I'm saying? Did she not say she doesn't want to be friends with this person anymore? And I'm thinking, girl, that person ended your friendship long time ago. You guys are not friends, and I know it. Stop acting. But I'm like, I'm not gonna tell her. She must continue acting. I don't want to be friends with her if this is how she is. And I'm like, but this person disciplined you a long time ago, and she blocked you. You guys are no longer friends. So why are you acting as if now you don't want to be friends with her, when she's the one who ended the friendship? And I'm ending it too, because I'm like, I've tolerated your nonsense long enough. Guys, I'm running out of space because of this stupid phone. I want to use my perfume cone. So, yeah, Nana. So at this point, I'm like, this person has no idea that I have proof on my phone of her gossiping about me. I have everything. But I didn't tell her yesterday when I was confronting her. I was like, let me keep quiet. Let me not, you know, let me keep some things to myself, so that one day, I'll never know when I'll need to use these things and say, no, but this is how you are. This is what you've been saying about me, you know? So I've never felt so good to end a relationship. I've never felt so good that I'm not part of that person's life anymore. I've never felt so good, guys. I'm like, because I've been taking so much. Nana, stop it. Because I've been taking so much from her. I've been taking so much, you know, and I'm just quiet. I'm quiet. I've been taking and taking, but God said, You don't want to leave this person. Let me bring you proof so that... Guys, it's the fact that my phone is ready. The guy called me yesterday. Ari, girl, your phone is red. But now I don't have 4,000 now. So it will stay there till the end of the month. Guys, I feel like I've been venting. And now we are going. And because I've been talking. But yeah, that's what is currently happening. And I'm like, you know what, Mina, God, I love you. Angna petrol, yo. God, I love you so much, because one thing about God, He will bring you things. I've been showing you this person. You don't want to listen. But I finally listened, because if a person can gossip like that about you to strangers, I feel like there's more that this person can do privately. So that's what has been happening. And yeah, guys, let's continue with life. And don't get me wrong, there are good things that this person did for me, but the bad outweighs the good. When the bad is too much, it's so much that I can't even remember the good. That's how the bad is. The bad is bad. And when yesterday I told her everything and she kept on saying, what was this person saying when I was gossiping? I'm like, but I don't know this person, I know you. So I'm not hurt by her response. I'm hurt by you talking about me to strangers. So I can never be hurt by... It's like I was in a toxic relationship that I didn't want to get out from. For what reason, I don't know. But God said, you are going to get out from that relationship. And I am happy and proud of myself for finally standing up for myself and be like, you know what? You've humiliated me. You've disrespected me. You've done everything. And I've always kept quiet and kept it moving and pretended as if everything is fine. But today I put an end into all of this. So I ended the relationship. But all I'm saying, one day, with all the information that I have, maybe one day I'll have to use it. Because one thing about people who think they're smarter than you, they will always... like, guys, I'm always one step ahead. And I don't do it because I plan. I do it because God wants it like that. So right now I just feel like I'm actually a step ahead from you. I'm actually a step ahead from you, but I'm just waiting for you to make one wrong move and I show everyone who you really are. But it's fine, guys. I am so happy. Like, this thing was hurting my mom. My mom didn't understand. Why does this person talk to you like this? Why does she treat you like this? Everyone was like, why are you taking so long to end this relationship? Because clearly this person doesn't like you, you know? Everyone was like rejoicing when I said, guys, here are the messages. I have finally told her that I know exactly what you've been doing behind my back. And let's call it quits. They were like, finally, took you long enough. Imagine people rejoicing because they know how much this person has been hurting you. Yeah. At this point, I should have done a sit down. But a time for a sit down video will come. A time for a sit down video will come. And I won't be just doing it. I'll be doing it so that I give everyone proof that this is what I've been taking and this is what has been said about me, and I trusted this person, by the way. But yeah, guys, I'm going to Checkers now to quickly get these things that I want and come back, cook. I might just cut this vlog. It won't be that long because I feel like there's a lot of venting, and then I continue with it on Sunday. I'm definitely gonna post this one today because I won't have space for a vlog here Sunday. So yeah, guys, let's go. Bye. Don't ever stop praising God. Don't ever stop ukuthandaza uNkulunkulu, and in your prayer always include for God's protection. Not only when you're driving, God protect me, cover me with the blood of Jesus. Cover me with the blood of Jesus. Things like this will come and you don't have to be doing too much. God will show you that this person is not good for you. This person doesn't like you. So yeah, bye guys. And guys, ningangishayi ngebhandi likalubanzi. I'm going 5 minutes away. Oh, the way you guys will shout. Oh, Lord have mercy. At this point, I think I must just buy that seat and stop being stingy. Like, I must just buy it. I feel like he's gonna sit on that seat because Ulubanzi gets very excited when something is new. So he'll probably like it and ahlale kuyo so that this fussy band. I just wanted to come and apologize. Someone said uzonibhalela itikiti apha police. Uta take this as a warning. Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry man. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. Tani ngangenza umuntu responsible or irresponsible. Uthwani? Oh, ikona lokho. Alright, bye. Oh, okay, I'll do that. We're home now. Hi guys, I'm back. I got Lubanzi's nappies. Yona nto biskiphile vele wasendlini. I got some onions. And don't land of carrot. I needed this. And then I got milk, toilet paper. Asfale.
No, mommy. Take with these.
Guys, I'm cooking, but I can't cook with you guys because I have long clips of venting and I just can't do things properly because of this phone. So anyway, I confronted her and she blocked me on WhatsApp. So I guess I was supposed to keep quiet, I was supposed to keep quiet and not ask her anything, not confront her. She blocked me while I was still pouring out my heart, how hurting I am and how disappointed I am with what she did. She blocked me. She blocked me. She was like, I'm like, hey, bo, unblock you, girl. So I went and I blocked her on all my social media platforms because I'm like, if you're going to block me on WhatsApp, block me everywhere. Because clearly you're cutting the communication. You don't care about my feelings. She blocked me. I got blocked because I confronted. Wow, why are you telling him? Why are you gossiping about me? I got blocked. I was like, okay, you want to go low? I'm going to go lower. I'm going to remove you on all my social media platforms and cut ties. Yes, I was ending the relationship, but I didn't think of blocking. And now if you are blocking me, yet you are the one who's on the wrong. But yeah, guys, I got blocked. Let me end this. Well, to be continued, or this is the end until further notice when need be. Yeah. Until further notice when need be. If there's a need to revisit this story again, we will. And yeah, it will be better than this thing that I just did now. But yeah, guys, it feels good. It feels really, really good to stand up for myself because I've been taking a lot of nonsense and a lot of disrespect for a very long time and there was no need. And this person who told me this information cut her off very fast. She was like, you're not going to talk to me like that. You're not going to disrespect me. You're not going to undermine me. Like, cut. She told her, sent her a voice note, cut the friendship, blocked her, kept it moving. It didn't take that long. She was like, nope, you're not the kind of girl that I need in my life. Kulungile, bye, cut. You know, unlike me, who kept on going and going and going and taking. And at that point, I'm like, why am I taking so much nonsense? Because I've figured that this person doesn't like me. She's actually not a nice person. People portray to be things that they are not. If there's one thing I've learned, people portray to be things that they are not. But now when I confront, but why did you talk about me to this person? Why did you say this and this and this and this and about me? Stop it. Stop talking about my family. Stop talking about me. It's not nice. I don't like it. I get blocked. I was like, okay, this is interesting. But yeah, guys, I will see you on my next one. Bye.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me.